Welcome back. Mid-caps are doing well in trade. So pull up a few stocks like an ACE. That's a stock which has moved well in the last half an hour of trade. A few of the other mid-caps like a Bharat Gears, Ashanti Gears, Noida Toll Bridge, Build. But the big story right now is that the Sensex has hit the 27,000 mark. So every day it's a story of fresh milestones being conquered. So yesterday it was about the 8,000 level on the Nifty. Today it's about the 27,000 level on the Sensex. And lo and behold, we're just about 25 points away from the Nifty. So who knows, maybe tomorrow we'll be talking about that 8,100 mark on the Nifty as well. But as of now, that's the Sensex. It's gained half a percentage point. It's 133 points on the Nifty. So there's really no stopping this market with this rally. I think on the YTD rally would stand at closer to 30% that on the Nifty as well as on the Sensex. And everything is working in its favor. The GDP data, the current account deficits, the macros are falling in place. European market, or generally global markets, are also in a fairly sweet spot. Money has been coming in strong. It's more than $13 billion of FI inflows into the markets that we've seen so far on a YTD basis. And then you've got the ECB policy later this week. So that as well could keep the markets flush with, it could give you a stimulus program. At least the verdict is still split, or the expectation is split over there. So, everything is going right for the markets as well. So 27,000 is here in the Sensex.
Yes, and it's this clutch of, some of these pharma names. There are auto names like Hero Moto, etc., BHEL, Bharti, Airtel, Axis Bank, SBI. All of these are the contributors to that move of the Sensex beyond that 27,000 mark. But let's quickly shift focus to personal finance. Hemant Rustagi of Wiseinvest Advisors is with us, and we have a caller waiting by as well. Hi, Sheetal.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, you have a query. Tell us.
Ma'am, I have already invested in IDFC Sterling Equity Fund. I have a total corpus of somewhere between 5 to 7 lakhs.
Okay.
Now, I wanted to start a fresh SIP of anywhere between 25,000 to 30,000.
Per month?
Per month, correct.
Okay.
So, I just wanted to know what will be the total corpus inclusive of that IDFC and the SIP which I am starting, thinking to start now from this month onward.
Okay, how much did you say you invested in the previous month?
No, that is total of 5, say between 6 lakhs is IDFC Sterling Equity Fund.
Okay, 6 lakhs. All right. And you invested that when?
I started with 2008, then I have stopped in 2010, again I started in 11, but I have not withdrawn that fund which I did the SIP.
Hemant, good afternoon. Sheetal already has 6 lakhs that she had invested starting 2008. She now wants to make fresh SIP of 25 to 30,000 rupees a month, and she now wants to know what could be the corpus, I think, for the next 3 years. Is that what she said? Hemant?
Yeah, I think if Sheetal is looking to basically invest for 3 years through SIP, and if she wants to give herself a chance to earn healthy return, well, she'll have to take some amount of risk. If she can consider investing in, equity-oriented balance fund. These funds typically invest around 65% or more in equity, and the rest of the money is invested in debt. And if, like she said, for 3 years, because she'll be investing through SIP, so the risk of volatility that exists in any equity-oriented product can be mitigated to a large extent, but obviously cannot be eliminated. So in this category, she can look at a couple of funds. One is Birla Sun Life 95 or ICICI Balance Fund. Ideally speaking, I would recommend that if she can invest for 3 years through SIP and can, keep the money invested for another 1 year, in all 4 years. So what will happen then is that, the entire capital gain that she will earn will become tax-free, and also it will give her money some time to, grow. So that is, I think that should be the strategy. But if she's not comfortable investing 65% or more in equity for a short span of 3 years, then she can consider investing in some debt-oriented hybrid fund, where, of course, the situation will be reversed here. There will be more money in debt and less in equity. She can consider IDFC Asset Allocation Fund or Birla Sun Life Asset Allocation Fund. But here, because these are non-equity funds, the capital gain that she earns in 3 year period would be considered a short-term capital gain.
Okay, we'll leave it at that. Thanks so much for joining in. With that, it's a wrap and halftime report. Thanks so much for watching. Business Lunch up next.